I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for Medicaid in NYC. First, gather all necessary personal and financial documents. Next, determine your eligibility based on income and household size. Then, choose the most convenient application method for you. Finally, submit your complete application and follow up as needed. This guide will help you navigate the process smoothly. To qualify for Medicaid in New York City, your household income must fall within specific limits, typically around 138% of the federal poverty level. These limits are adjusted based on the number of people in your household. Additionally, certain populations, such as pregnant individuals, children, and those with disabilities, may have different eligibility pathways. It's important to check the most current guidelines to confirm your status. When applying for Medicaid, you'll need several key documents. Prepare proof of identity, such as a state ID or passport, and proof of New York City residency, like a utility bill or lease agreement. You'll also need income verification, which could include recent pay stubs or tax returns. You can apply online through NY State of Health, by mail, or in person at a local Human Resources Administration office. After gathering your documents, carefully complete the application form. Double-check all information for accuracy to prevent processing delays. Once submitted, you might be contacted for an interview or asked to provide additional details. Be sure to respond promptly to any requests. You'll receive a decision by mail. Also, for other great deals and the link to those amazing darn tough socks, check the description below this video.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.